Nice and greased.
These are raw elements. They are meant to be formed, crafted, and manipulated.
We are good to go.
They're works of human hands that will take on a new form thanks to their crafters.
I teach intro to metals for us at Ponderosa.
1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch.
My love language is feeding.
These artisans are teaching a whole new generation.
I want to be either a mechanic, welding, or a game and fish warden.
Me and my dad have cut wood before.
I've been cooking since I was really little.
But what happens when an apprentice can no longer touch and feel their work?
First reaction was, how am I gonna keep students' attention?
Creative people always look for a creative solution.
I have one compass left that I stole from the art teacher. Don't tell her.
I knew Rolo would make it fun and do things like that, so I wasn't too worried about it.
Engagement is essential.
I will make jokes that are not funny. The point isn't to make them laugh. The point is to make the students, it's to communicate playfulness. We're gonna hang out with Brittany today. I named the planer Brittany because she's temperamental, right? You don't even have to worry about this thing because Brittany decided she didn't care about it anymore.
Connection is key.
I love the environment and I love the community and I love Miss Carnes.
She makes the environment feel good.
I'll mise out all the ingredients in the classroom, and then I'll have them drive up outside in the parking lot and deliver it to them. We've done homemade salsas and just things that still engage the student.
Career Technical Education, or CTE, does not stop. It really cannot stop.
We've been working the whole time. We're the essential workers. Well, we're going on 11 months now.
The months of remote learning in Douglas County were definitely different.
There's definitely a lot more of a focus about the concepts and just understanding how welding works, like the physics and science behind it.
Creating is not just a matter of matter.
We've gone over safety a lot, which is probably a good thing.
These months of preparation are paving the way for a return to a more hands-on education, with in-person hybrid learning resuming on February 8th.
Now that we're going back, we can actually start welding.
I'm just excited to get started, I guess.
I love it.
We are constantly turning them.
These are not just ingredients for a hobby.
I've always wanted to do something with culinary arts my entire life.
They are careers waiting for the next generation of essential workers.
Our fields that we teach here, they were working every day.
And I'll see you next time.
All right, bye.
Bye, love you guys.
Thanks for keeping me around, whoever it is that keeps me around.